That's okay.
Here you go, play your angles.
You still got a lot of time. Play D, play D.
He can whip the ball.
Watch your angle.
You got time, Nick. Good hustle. Nice.
Ooh.
Good job, dude. Hey, you got one.
There you go, keep it going.
Plenty of time,
Slow
plenty of
and
time.
steady.
You got 2.5 minutes. Plenty of time. Get a little rest in. Play some defense. Play some D. Play some D, buddy. Watch the catch. Watch for the catch. Watch the corner.
There you
Nice.
go.
2 minutes. Go.
Oh.
Back up, back up.
Wait for the catch.
It's a catch.
Heck yeah.
Come on, Nick. Go, Nick!
Let's go, Nick.